Look, there's a problem we need to talk about if we're using ChatGPT for our job applications. Yes, it can lead to higher numbers of interview invites, but I've also seen how it can lead to lower numbers of offers from those interviews. I know, I've seen it. I work as a careers consultant at Cambridge University. In this video, I explain why this is happening and what we can do to fix it so we can still get the benefits of AI. Okay, so first we're going to need to zoom out and ask, why do we write at all? I can't remember any teacher ever explaining this to me, so here goes. Writing clarifies thought and helps us connect information. Writing job applications, which includes cover letters and CVs, helps us clarify why we want the job and connect our skills and experiences to the role we're applying for. Clarifying and connecting in this way helps us imagine ourselves in that role, the work we do, the colleagues, the projects, the clients. Now this is incredibly important because connecting and clarifying in this way from first principles means we're a lot more agile when it comes to the interview itself. Let me show you. So imagine you get asked the interview question, what do you think you'll find easiest and what most difficult in this role? Now, will your answer be better if you've connected and clarified from the ground up or if you've simply submitted ChatGPT's output? I'd summarize it like this. The more we engage with written applications, the more we imagine ourselves in the role. The more we imagine ourselves in the role, the more we empathize with what's needed in the role. The more we empathize with what's needed in the role, the more we convey relevant skills and experiences, and the more we convey relevant skills and experiences, the more offers we get. Using ChatGPT to write our applications disrupts this value chain. But there's good news, there's a fix, which means we can still use AI to get the benefits via these 4 steps. 1. Reflect. Before we go anywhere near AI, we should sit with the job description. We should allow ourselves to find connections to our own experiences. We are way better than AI at this. 2. Have a vision for what we ultimately want to communicate. Unless we have this vision, we'll just be at the mercy of whatever AI gives us. And we lose that value chain. We should reflect on the tone, structure, emphasis, and language we ultimately want the output to have. 3. Write prompts that honor that vision. So if the job description uses a particular word a lot, we should ask AI to feature it. We can ask for emphasis and ordering based on the job description to explain our skills using the Harvard Competency Dictionary. We can be direct and precise about what we want each paragraph to do and what style we want it written in. I have a video coming out on the very best prompts to use to get the best output for your job applications, cover letters, CVs, so definitely subscribe if you don't want to miss out. And 4, generate via AI and then edit. Treat its output as a first draft and then refine those prompts to get it as close to your vision as you possibly can. Take that and then further manually refine it, make it yours. Remaining mindfully engaged with these 4 steps means that we get that real benefit of agility when it comes to facing interview questions. When playing the recruitment game, it can be super tempting to see the use of AI as redressing some of the inherent imbalances of recruitment processes. But we should look to do this without disadvantaging ourselves. We will need to roll our sleeves up. We will need to get our hands dirty. AI is a tool, not a silver bullet. It needs direction. Doing this means we get better output from AI, we can be more agile in interview settings, and it helps us figure out if we actually want that role that we're applying for. I can't tell you the amount of times I've started applications only to stop them once I've realised I'm not actually all that interested. I'm Raj, thanks for stopping by. I'll catch you next time.